Hey, it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers, and welcome to our channel where it's everything flowers and fun creative projects. If you love flowers, please subscribe and hit that little alert bell. We are going to be talking about flower symbolism and colors because guess what? It's almost Valentine's Day. Yay, yay, yay! We also have a fun celebrity story to share at the end, so keep watching. Thank you so much, Bill Duran and Company, for always supporting us and providing us with the best flowers. We couldn't do it without you. So let's start talking about the language of color that's specific for flowers, because we were talking earlier about orange is kind of caution, red is kind of danger, but not really in flowers, right? So let's start with red. So red is passion and sexy and hot and beautiful and strong, and it's so good. It's like an ode to a Greek goddess, Venus, right? So today I have these beautiful red tulips and beautiful red roses, and they look fantastic together. So if you have some passion and you want to tell some love, pick red, right? Okay, here we are with orange, and I always think of citrus, something sassy, but this is actually the symbol for success and joy. So need to get a raise? Give this to your boss, right? Need to have a lot of joy? I think orange might be the color for you. Yellow is always a symbol for friendship, right? And today we have these kind of double, triple peony yellow tulips. And yellow can be kind of innocent. So if you're at that stage in your relationship where you're like heavy this might be the one. So green is all about health and vitality, and with flowers, it's kind of balance. And today I have beautiful green flowers. I have this green hydrangea. It could also be greenery too. So I have these little Kermit button palms and some green hypericum, which are so adorable with the little berries. And then I have a little kind of half stem of a green cymbidium. They are so pretty. So it's really a grounding color. So I love green. So blue, today I have Erigeum. We don't have a lot of blue flowers today, and it's kind of like blue food. There's not too much, but blue is happiness, carefree, harmony, and peace. So you can kind of see the beautiful inside here of blue. We also have blue hydrangea, blue delphinium. There's a flower that we love called Love in a Mist. It's like the best name ever, but it's this beautiful pod with these light blue petals, and it's gorgeous. So if you want happy, carefree harmony, pick blue. Next up is purple. I always think of purple as kind of a regal color, and today we kind of have a smoky purple going. We have these beautiful lavender roses, the purple lisianthus, and then the pussy willow with their little catkins have like this gorgeous gray metal purple tone, and you can pet them. So purple is charm, grace, elegance, and refinement. So if you have the person that, dresses in velvet, this might be the color to go. Okay, this is my favorite color, which is pink, which is positive attitude and kindness, openness, and vibrancy. But I do like bright pink because that's a little bit more vibrant. This is a blush pink, and it looks so pretty. It's just so soft, and pink is really sweet, right? So if you want to go that direction, pick pink. White is typically not a color, but when we're talking about the language of flowers and the language of flower color, the color white is about purity and perpetuity. This looks so clean and beautiful and simple, right? So if you want more of a simple look, I've got Mum's hydrangea and these beautiful ranunculus in here, and look how crisp and clean it looks. So I always send white if you want like a tailored, clean, pure look. I love white. I know this is kind of generic, and it's really a personal thing. When I send my best friend flowers, she really likes nature, and I love sending her green and white flowers because I don't know, I think it looks so beautiful together. She loves it so much, and so I always choose this palette for her. So I would love to hear your color story, and like, what do you send your grandma, or do you only send a certain kind of flower, or what does this color mean to you? Does it symbolize something special? So shout me a comment below, and I can't wait to write you back. A lot of times we have requests in the flower shop because people have a lot of flower stories to tell, like, you know, that symbolize certain things that are special to them. So a lot of times the flowers don't make a lot of sense, right? And we're like, okay, but we do it, right? Because it's your story, not ours. So we have this great story, celebrity couple, newly married, and they're pretty private, so we're gonna keep it secret. And the husband asked for 8 dozen white roses, right? And we thought, oh, this is so awesome. This symbolizes purity, right? 8 dozen white roses. But in the middle, there are 2 red roses to represent their passion and, you know, 2 lovers. And it was really fun. So you can see how gorgeous this looks, right? Today we have this champagne rose and it's spectacular. I think I like it more than white. And then we nestled these 2 little red ones in here, and they're having a good time, right? They're lovers. This is 50 roses, just so you know. And happy Valentine's Day if I don't talk to you. And if you need anything, if you have a story to tell, please message me. And thanks for watching. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Please subscribe. Love you.